everyone, this is May De Los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Good morning everyone. So our video for today is I need to go to the school to bring all the stuff of my daughter because today it's scouting day. So I need Sahara experience how to be independent, to sleep with your friends. So let's see what's going on at night time, but I will go there night time to know what they're doing in the night, and I'm sure there's a lot of games there. Then after that I will go home. So for today I need to bring all the stuff, then I will be back home. I will be back after I think around 6 o'clock dinner time. So as a mother, we need to take care of our kids. So it's not a responsibility for the teacher to look over while they are there. So when she go to sleep, I will go back home. So yes, I will show you how much the bag she get. So guys, ito yung big bag na dalhin niya. Nandyan yung mat, tapos pillow, tapos may another blanket pa. So this one is uniform, clothes, sleeping, something, all the needs that she needed is there. So I'm so busy as a mother, not always talking, busy but not doing. So look at, so I need to run. I wait Kuya before he pick up me. Kuya is on the way. I will need to change. So bye bye, and this is my update vlog. Cocoquera. So Goldang here. So dato kay Goldang here. So muna ni guys, manglayas nami. Managingon pa. Ay dami risi, manglayas ng tanan. Nanami sa sikihor. Chong bajing namin.
Ala na may tsada rin just one day. Sampol dito ba?
Saman.
Balik na laham. Kita.
Katong chocolate? Ha?
Chocolate.
Oh, German tagiyana.
So kini nga time guys, pagod ko sa school. So dinner ko today. Late ang so dinner lang ko tayo ng banda. Wala na ko nag-vlog, pero ako sa eskwelahan kay ngit-ngit. So darir ako ng dinner, dali-dali. Pero wag yapon nakuha na kong gusto kay lain man ang ilang iskutan. So darir ako sa eskwelahan.
Please off kaning electric pan nasa center.
Cub Scouts, please be quiet.
Come, come, light up the fire. Come, come, join the ring. Here find streets to inspire, stories to tell, music to sing. Come, come, light up the fire. Come, come, join the ring. Here find dreams to inspire, stories to tell, music to sing. Come, come, light up the fire. Come, come, join the ring. Here find dreams to inspire, stories to tell, music to sing. Come, come, light up the fire. Come, come, join the ring. Here find dreams to inspire, stories to tell, music to sing. As the flames point upward, so be our aims. As the red lights glow, so be our endeavors. As the gray ashes fade, so may be our errors. As the good fire warms the world, so may our ideals warm the world. Campfires burning, draw nearer, in the gloaming, come sing and be merry. Campfires burning, draw nearer, in the gloaming, come sing and be merry. Oh, how lovely is the evening, when the bells are sweetly ringing, ding dong, ding dong. Oh, how lovely. Even through the toughest nights, I can't deny you are here. So truly, I'm feeling love. You got me love. Rescue me. Now I pray.
The story of this while I'm walking in the morning, cause I don't call Kuya. It was early. It's 6 o'clock. I walk from home, go to school to see Sahira's activity because it's half day. So I need to be there before they were going home. So at the night I've been there. And then what she did to me, she said, "Mama, you need to go home because I need to have my own. I want my freedom." I said, "Okay." And I'm not the one ready the bed because she don't want me. So I said to the teacher, she don't want me to do anything. I need to go home. And I will be back morning. When I come back morning, they're already they already wake up and they start their activity. So from home, walking, is take 8 minutes or 10 minutes going walk. But not really fast walk, just only little bit normal walk. So you see the place is busy already, and yeah, there's a corner here. There's a gasoline station that sometimes my landmark, and yes, water refilling center. Oh my god, my voice is So they fill up their gas because there's a big baby there. Put the gas. So this is a fish market near our place. It's really quick walk. If I want fish anytime, I can come here. If I'm not lazy to go walk, so you can find here fish, anything you want. You don't need to go to town. But sometimes in town, what do you call that? You can choose whatever you want there. So there's a beaches too, and there's an establishment there that they have a what do you call that? Snacks. And there's a coffee there, yummy coffee shop that you can relax together with the kittens. In this place, there's a laundry area, what do you call that if you want. And this one is a Somi phase 2. So before we going to the school, we pass by a Somi. There's a store also. I think this street is what you call that. I don't know what is the name of the street. But this is on the way to the school sa Hira. Can you imagine 6 o'clock in the morning like that na? My God, I'm late still. Oh my God. So this area here is Asumi. This one is Asumi. This is the entrance there. And this one, this is a Lacson shop. That the owner is I know the daughter. So a lot of car here because they do painting, repaint, something like that. Then a lot of car, and you cannot take out this car here because it's a private property. So we're closer, you and I. Walk, Floriming. So you will not be a dogong anymore. Charot. If I'm dogong, I don't care. As long I don't ask money from people to eat. So it's not a big deal. So this place, I like it to walk, but the problem here is the driver, because some of the driver is really what you call that fast driving. Even you are already in the sidewalk, oh my God, they just woo like that. So yes, we're already close. I just do voiceover so it's not boring. Charot. So you can hear my what you call that cough voice. Charot. Now for now, I have a problem with my voice because of what you call that running nose, something like that. But I'm okay. So back to the place that what you call that we always buy a bear. The place that know me. Yes, she know me. The owner of the store here, she know me because she's from Danau also. But you know, she's from Danau, but she know the friend of my mom also. But we not keep talking because I'm shy. So yeah, every time I go there, she said, "Oh, how are you doing? How's the kids? How's your partner?" Like that. Then he said, "Where are you living?" I said, "There, it's close there." He said, "That's why you are not coming here no more." I said, "That is really far from my place. I'm coming here. And sometimes you walk, it's not really easy. Then it's hot also." So I need to control. So I just walk to the closest store called Randolph, or I will go to SGR. You know what? SGR is the store that long time ago that we can credit there how much. She don't care because she know we are good peers. So every time we have a problem, I will go there. She's there to help us. That's my Ate Bernadette. So if I go there, I do credit. No problem. But I will pay. The biggest credit that we do there is 30,000.
Sakto ra pud
Yes.
ako. 8 minutes.
Now is a little bit na lang credit because I'm not what you call that into go there.
So amo ang
But
place
we have
dito.
little bit money we spend. We pay. But sometimes, so this place is remember. We have a memories here. So that end of the corn, the end of the mango there. That's our place before. So when we left here, the road is not really good, but now it's cemented.
Say pasulod.
From this corner going to the our place is cemented.
Namalhin mi nindot na ang cement ko na
So
sementado na.
pity. Charot. So this is a closer to the school of Sahira. Yeah, it says few steep. Our place before is closer to the school of Sahira. So I'm just interested the chicken there. That's why I'm just what you call that. Stop and take a video. So I'm close to the school. So Sahira do love to you there. You should love it. So guys, thank you for watching. God bless.
Kit doy.
Okay, so be artistic. That is gonna be your personalized bulutalan sa inyong water bottle or whatever. So,
Butangin na
ugahin
ngani mo.
ninyo dira sa unsay whatever design that will describe you. You can even put your name on it. Make it nice. Make it creative. Yeah, kinahanap na that's paint. Hindi na kinahanglan na nag-water. You don't need water for that. You don't need water for that. Hindi man na watercolor. Paint na. That's paint. So,
Unsa ko na ilis-ilis og bulpe o lapis.
you can sketch first. And then after that, you can color it.
Zaza na lang zaza. Para
Pencil, there's still getting more. Share na lang if, and there, oh. There's more pencil. Who needs pencil? From the upper. You need pencil?
punig eh.
If it's too sticky, if consistency is too sticky, pwede man butangan yung water, pero gamya ra, kay malasaw na pumaayo.
Ay, i-drawing sa pag-drawing sa diya.
Bye, boys. 1, 2, 3, I see her. 1, 2, 3, Luki. Bye.
Smile. Iyon kuan. Remembrance. One more. Okay, wala nang tanaw. Isa na. Emerald. 1, 2, 3. Gianna. Smile. Okay. How about you girls? 1, 2, 3. Eyes here. Smile, you people. Okay.
Actually, my favorite part about camping is about the memories we had to each other. Like last night, me and the girls made stories. We had made snacks. Huh? Yeah, I scared Isha last night. Huh? Yeah, what Momo? Yeah, and then after that, I also love the obstacle course. See, yeah, look. Yeah, and I also love how people do the natural thingy where you make natural sounds. So even just a piece of garbage, you can make so many cool things out of it. So when you look at a plastic bottle, what do you say in a plastic bottle? Okay, so don't judge everything because you can make actually a lot of things just by looking at some stuff. Like the guy, Mr. Nicky, when he came here, he just saw a bunch of garbage lying around. So what he did is he made it into some instruments. He made it into music, kids. So after that, you'll go to the obstacle course. Okay, who do you think won in the obstacle course? Okay, who do you think won in the obstacle course? Okay, do you think it's the Cub Scouts, the Boy Scouts, the Girl Scouts? When you were doing the obstacle course. Teamwork! Yeah, good job, JB, good answer. You learned agility, you learned teamwork. Huh? Yeah, good job, guys. Okay, all of you guys have good answers. And even in the arts and crafts. What you learned in the arts and crafts, kids? But for me, my favorite part in the arts and crafts is that you can use your imagination. Imagine anything and you can just paint it on the piece of thingy. What do you call that? It's like for the water bottle holder. So I can see some of you guys are tired. Like my classmate at the back is pretty tired. So who had a good sleep last night? Was that good? So okay, so we had our first aid, we had our disaster.
Kate Francine D. Tobada.
na ka? Wana!
Regina Kylie Faith E. Fernandez. Trisha Olivia M. Cabarles. Lady Harriet C. Palomar. Isabella Cyrene B. Moreto. Frances Dane S. Lazalita. Aryan Palula. Ayesha Emmanuel C. Alpina. Zahira Heaven B. Super.
Hi guys! So thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it. And this is May de los Santos Jocoquera. So enjoy your life guys with your family and I will say bye bye. See you